Should I take that or that? Should I pick that color or that? Should I end my relationship or not? Choices. Choices, choices, choices. How can you make a decision quickly and fast? Watch this video and you'll find out. I'm so happy you found my channel to create the life that you desire. So if you like my videos, make sure to subscribe right below and hit that notification bell so that you get new videos twice a week to create the life that you desire. Decisions, choices, option A, option B, job offer A, job offer B. What do you do? How can you make a decision quickly and easily? A lot of my clients who are successful and ambitious professionals, they're sometimes just pondering and so stuck before they can make a decision, and it's frustrating and it's very uncomfortable. So I have this one little trick to help you make a decision quickly and fast. And then it's your turn to try it out. Decisions, decisions. It's always about A or B, this or that. It's usually between two things, right? Now, I created a video with 5 steps to make a decision, and I go into detail and I go in deeper. You can check all the links of other videos right below, and I will put this link right below this video. However, if you want to have a quick decision, like really fast, then try this. Have you ever flipped a coin? Have you? There's head and there's tail, right? And now you're going to say, that's not going to help me. But listen carefully. If you flip a coin and you know that head is option A and tail is option B, you flip the coin and there's always a split second where you secretly wish that it would fall either way. You secretly wish that it falls on head or on tail. That split second, that will help you to make your decision, because that secret tiny wish in that split second is actually the right decision. Because every single time we make a decision deep in our heart, we know what we want, we know what is best for us, we know what direction to take. And it's when you flip that coin, you think, oh, actually, I really hope it's gonna, before you pick it up, you secretly hope like, I kind of hope it's head, or I kind of hope it's the tail. Do it, try it out. Comment below this video, because I want to know from you, have you tried it? Will you please try this out and let me know how it worked out for you? And again, I have more details about decision making, 5 steps to decision making, with more ideas that you can watch in the link that I will put right below. And remember, you can join our community, join my Facebook group to create the life that you desire. If you're successful and ambitious, but you're stuck in your life and you want to create a change, then keep following me. And remember, if you like this video, to subscribe right below and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.